guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain what a BingX UID is and what it means. When you go to asset section and make a withdrawal, such as transferring USDT through an internal transfer, you will see an option that asks for a UID. So, what exactly is it? A UID is a unique identification number assigned to every BingX account, just like a bank account number or a demat account number identifies your account. The UID identifies your BingX account. It is unique to you and is often required when making internal transfers between BingX users. Now, the most important question is, how do you find your UID number? It's very simple. Just click on your profile icon. After that, open your profile page again, and there you will see your UID number displayed. You can copy this UID and paste it wherever it is required, such as when making an internal transfer. That's it. This video. See you in the next one.